Uber and Lyft are offering big bonuses to get you back on the road. What's your price? Hey everyone, Chris here for the Rideshare Guy, and today we're going to be talking about Uber and Lyft are offering huge promotions, bonuses, and guarantees to try to get drivers back on the road. So what we're going to be talking about today is, first off, what are some of the promotions and bonuses and guarantees that we're seeing all across the country? And we're going to go over what the difference is between guaranteed, between bonuses and promotions, so you know exactly what you're looking at if you see something like this. And then we're going to talk about, is this going to be the new norm for the next several months? And what is your price going to be to get you back on the road if you stop driving because of the pandemic? All right, so first off, let's talk about why Uber and Lyft are giving out so many promotions to try to get people back on the road. Well, it's very simple. As more and more places are reopening, there's more demand for rides. And because of that, they're trying to get drivers back. Now, both Uber and Lyft are saying that they're going to be facing a driver shortage in the next several months as things do get back to normal and open up to full capacity. So they're trying to be preemptive and offer these bigger bonuses, these bigger promotions, and even more guarantees when it comes to driving to make sure you get back on the road and start making money again. The big question is, what's your price? And are you going to get back on the road if you took off time? All right, so let's break down what the differences between these different promotions are so you know exactly what it is, because it can be confusing, especially to new drivers. So when you see something like a guarantee or a quest or bonus or whatever it might be, we're going to break that down. So the first one that you see on the screen right now is saying make at least $1,025 when you drive in Dallas. So this is a guarantee that's going to happen in Dallas. So it says earn at least $1,025 when you complete 110 trips in Dallas in your first 30 days of driving again. So this is trying to get drivers back on the road. And it's saying once you give 110 trips, as long as it's within your first 30 days, you're going to make at least $1,025. If you make over that, you're not going to get anything. But if you make under that, then they're going to give you the amount that would equal up to $1,025. So what that means is if you give 110 trips and you're making $1,300, let's say, you're not going to get anything extra. But for that same 110 trips, if you only made, let's say, 700, then that means they're going to give you a $325 updo to get that $1,025. So that's what a guarantee means. It means if you give a certain amount of rides in a particular time frame and you don't hit that earnings goal, then they're going to give you the difference of that. Pretty simple and easy, but it doesn't mean it's going to be added on. Now, you might see something like quests, which is the next screen right here that you see, and that is going to show you if you take 30 trips, you'll get $20 extra. Or if you do 40 trips, you're going to get $50 extra. And again, this is in the Dallas market. So it's just showing you the difference between that. And that is a bonus. So whatever you make for those 30 or 40 trips, you're going to get $20 extra or $50 extra, depending on how many trips you give and depending on what that promotion is when it comes down to a quest. And then there's some really big bonuses that they're trying to get people to come back out on the road. As you see on this screenshot right here for upstate New York, if you give 3 rides, you get an extra $100. Now, the biggest thing is all of these quests, all these promotions, bonuses, and all these are going to depend on the supply and the demand. So if they're starting to see a higher demand for rides, that's what's going to drive up these different promotions in particular markets. So one market might see a much greater promotion, quest, guarantee, whatever it might be, than another market based on those factors. Now, I did say that both Uber and Lyft are facing driver shortages. At least that's what they're alluding to in their last earnings call that took place a couple of months ago. So what they're going to be doing is over the next several months, they're going to try to roll out different things to entice drivers to come back to the platform or to sign up for the platform so they have enough drivers for the demand. So this is going to be something that will last probably for several months, at least until there's that equilibrium again. Once it hits that equilibrium where there's more drivers than there are for rides, then you're going to start seeing everything calm back down, and you're going to see the normal quests, promotions, guarantees, whatever it might be that was in your area pre-pandemic. And if you're looking at those things now, but you weren't before, it might be likely that you won't be seeing them after all of this driver shortage goes away and things get back to normal. But again, this is going to take several months. So that means if you're back out on the road taking advantage of these different promotions, quests, guarantees, bonuses, all that different stuff, you're probably going to be making a pretty good buck. Now, it's not just Uber and Lyft that are offering bigger promotions and bonuses and things like that. As you see on the screen, this is coming from Doordash saying earn extra cash for your dash. So long time, no dash, get back on the road this weekend to earn an extra $200 on top of your earnings. So what they're doing is instead of taking a large month-long promotion or something like that, or a week-long, this is for a weekend, and you can earn an extra $200 just by giving 25 deliveries. So this could be a way that DoorDash might be trying to get drivers to continue staying on the platform versus going back to Uber and Lyft. It could be a competition thing because of that reason, because many drivers who were driving for Uber and Lyft are now driving for food delivery like Uber Eats, like DoorDash, and the others. So this is a big thing to see too. So it's maybe not just Uber and Lyft, but you're going to see this on other platforms as well as they're trying to fight for drivers to stay on their platform, which again is better for your pocket. All right, so now I want to hear from you. What promotions, what bonuses, what guarantees are you seeing in your market? Comment what market you're in. Are you seeing and taking advantage of these promotions? Are you waiting for it to get higher? Are you coming back to driving at all if you're not driving? Or if you've been driving, are you seeing any promotions, guarantees, and bonuses to try to entice you to continue driving? Comment below and let us know. All right, that's the end of this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded, because there's new videos each and every single week coming out that's going to help you become a better driver, make more money, and take advantage of these sweet, sweet bonuses. All right, everyone, drive safe.